Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the app and granting call and phone permissions. This lets the tool place calls automatically. Once done, set the app as the default dialer if the prompt appears, because that enables seamless redials. Make sure your battery is above 20% and your network signal is steady, otherwise calls may drop. Now you're ready to enter the target number and proceed to configure redial settings. Don't delay, begin the next step. You enter the phone number and give it a clear label so you can reuse it later. Next, set the redial interval in seconds and choose the maximum attempts. Shorter intervals try faster but may be blocked by carriers. Turn on call end detection so the app recognizes when dialing failed and should retry. Enable silent mode or notifications per your preference. Once configured, test with one quick run to confirm behavior before committing to a full sequence. You hit start and observe the first 2 or 3 attempts to ensure the app behaves as configured. If the call connects, pause or stop the redialer immediately to avoid repeated calls. If it fails, note any error messages. Make adjustments to interval or attempt limits and rerun a short test. If things go wrong, check that permissions remain granted, verify your network signal and battery level, and restart the app. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.